around there. Yeah, sweet. It's all working nice and good.
How do I stop this TikTok from getting likes? It won't stop. It's on 11.5k likes. Posted it 2 years ago.
Same as per usual, start on the daily. Still inside of this bigger time frame. Well, we were still inside of that. Came up, took this high right here to the left, inside of that bearish fair value gap. You can see that buy side got taken right there. Then this would be the target to sell side. But I do expect us to rebalance somehow. I want to see us rebalance before we continue to sell off down to this old low. Okay, yeah, ES came up, took all of these relatively equal highs and then immediately sold off. That's funny. Totally random. Totally random how the market takes these highs here and sells off. Takes this high here and sells off. Random. Anyway, looking for the bigger time frame SMT right here. That's what I'm doing. So this high got taken on the ES, but it didn't get taken on NQ. So there's bigger time frame bearish SMT still in play, obviously. Has been in play for a long time. Bless me. Right. That's exactly what you want to see though, is SMT, buy side gets taken, all of that good stuff. I'm going to look for any lower time frame SMT now. Got to start going down time frames. internal SMT and external SMT. That's high quality. And then obviously immediately after you get change in the state. Right here below this series of down closed candles, boom, change in the state. And then you've got this fair value gap right here, and this one right here. And then we obviously sold off. So SMT, buy side gets taken, external, internal SMT, buy side, external gets taken, internal buy side gets taken, change in the state, retrace to the fair value gap. Sells off. Clean, 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 clean. Won't lie to you. Anyway, I want to check today's price action. It's a difficult one. I want to see if we've actually. So this sell side level we're supposed to be coming down to, right? We're obviously quite bearish. There's so much displacement. I don't expect us to reverse. Like. I mean, we should really continue higher, but we're not. I would say the trend is switching. Otherwise, we should have really displaced through this high right here and continued the trend. I think that we might actually be changing trends, even if it's just this. You know, you can see here, although this didn't last very long. Probably expect to see something like that. Okay, we can mark out bigger time frame sell side levels, this level here as well. Expect that to probably get taken as well. Yeah, soon back into the 15-minute. Where do I expect us to rebalance to? Where is the new week opening gap? I think that's the more important question. Where is Sunday's opening price? Let's find that. It is pretty obviously it was here. Okay. I'm going to go down to the 1 minute to get a better. So that right there is Friday, then boom, Sunday, we open up here. So this is gonna be, I'm gonna mark this as new week opening gap low. And then we'll mark out, I mean, sure, we'll mark out the high as well, sure. Sorry about that. I'm going to read over my rules. Market maker model is complete. See the market maker buy model that was in play, well, this entire month, to be honest, since the buy program started. See here, say like the 14th of January, that took us all the way up to this buy side level, and then that's where the bearish S&T on the bigger time frame got put in place. Market maker buy model is complete now. We can now get rid of all of this stuff off the charts now, like this and this other business. What I want to see us do is I want to see us actually displace through this 1 hour SIBI's high on the 1 hour. From there I can look to target these low resistance. Well, this this looks very engineered as buy side cumulative. We dump, close above 1 hour SIBI. I expect us to come around these highs, maybe tap right here this other SIBI, and then continue to the downside, hopefully. But what I need to see in order for that to be confirmed is I mean, if I can't take a trade unless no high or low has been taken as of today, so there's really not much I can do in regards to taking a trade yet. What I can do is I can wait for these highs here to get taken, and I can look for high gets taken, tap the imbalance, change in the state, the draw is lower. That would make sense. So I think I'm going to wait for that. So I expect this right here, this 5 minute bullish fair value gap to hold bullish for the time being. But I'm pretty confident that this bullish fair value gap is going to hold bullish, and it's going to carry us to these highs here, and perhaps this 1 hour civvy that's a bit higher. But since no higher low has been taken, I can't actually take a trade really, because actual sell side was never taken. Do have this right here though. Clearly multiple sell side levels right there. But I do believe that this is the draw, and I expect that this sell side that's been taken is going to be utilised to rebalance price. But on the hourly, we've essentially closed above that 1 hour civvy's high, and it should have really poked up into here. It looks strong, it looks like bullish. Yeah, that low got taken, but nothing internally got taken. I need a stop trade, that's what I actually need. The reason I'm not going to take this trade, although this external sell side got taken, that could have just been utilised to rebalance price to these fair value gaps right here. Price sells off. What I need is for price to actually displace through this series of fair value gaps right here on the left in order to give me confirmation that we're actually going to go to these highs right here. And at that point I could perhaps look for a scalp to the downside once these highs get taken. But judging just by the sheer momentum of this move and the displacement that follows afterwards, we didn't stop. There was no consolidation or anything, we just straight plummeted. And that's a telltale sign that we want to go lower. So yeah, gonna look for this 15 minute right here, BSC to hold bullish. Just gotta be patient. See, ES is still within this 1 hour fair value gap. It didn't ever close outside of it, so I'm not particularly fond of that. What the hell is all of this? Still expect us to tap this 5 minute right down here as well, closer than the 15 minute. And gauge the reaction as soon as this 5 minute gets tapped. And that's this one right here. It's not been tapped yet, man. That 5 minute lines up perfectly of this displacement leg right here with the fair value gap. You can see that price clearly wants to tap. This FEG right here is just struggling. There we go. Now the 5 minutes been tapped. Now I can look to see price start to pull back, hopefully. looks like a really good place to take a long. Off that IFEG, this internal low here has been taken, sell side's been taken, close above this 1 hour civvy, displacement right there, through this fair value gap. Honestly, it looks quite good. And we've got 15 minutes here. I'm gonna get in here. Oh, didn't mean to get in on ES. It's a complete accident. Damn. The sheer momentum of this move is insane. Didn't get in, but I'm gonna look for an entry. That's a lot of displacement. Ah, fucking hell! Should have been quicker there. Jeez, look at that. That's what I was expecting, though.
Good, at least prove it.
Ah. The sheer displacement through this high is insane. Obviously I've missed the move now. That move. I would have been alright, you know, if that was on, didn't say ES, should have, I don't know, careless. Well, let's get this logged in and stuff. Damn, TP would have got a hit in seconds. Damn, if I was in that trade I would have already been out and done. Jeez, Louise. That's something. Gonna try stab here, to be honest. Explode there. Gonna exit out contract. There's a lot of momentum. I expect price to continue going to the upside. so I need to exit out. It's like a 1-to-1 at this point. I'm gonna exit out and look for an actual good opportunity. That was really bad. The only way I could have made that look good is if it was more an entry like that. Oh well. But yeah, like I said, after these two highs get taken, I'm going to look for shorts if price shows me that. But it doesn't really look like it. That fat displacement candle came in. But when that 5-minute closes, I do expect us to rebalance. Yeah, this candle tells me that we're going to rebalance to this CB, to be honest. So yeah, I did miss the entry there. I missed the early entry, but that's okay. I do feel like I can move back up to this CB at some point. I'm not going to take any entries in this premium. I'll just mark out this. And what did we do right here? Created a high, low, high, low, low, high. Well, say low, high, low, low, high. This is the breaker right here. This would be the last candle prior to that move lower. So that's the breaker block. So now both these buy side levels have been taken, I expect us to rebalance, but the displacement could just not rebalance and just keep running higher. But I'm going to need that entry, but just going to stay patient. Yeah, I want to see all of that get ran through. I want to see all of this get ran through to come and fill this breaker in 5 minute fair value gap. I'll do entry off the breaker, stop below, just put stop. If this 1 hour civvy gets tapped, then I'm not looking for longs anymore. So yeah, after a big move lower like this, and that low gets taken there, but that low doesn't get taken, I still expect the draw to be lower, but I expect us to rebalance. So what do? We end up rebalancing to this fair value gap. Why didn't we rebalance to this one? Because if you get fib from low to high, you can see, I mean actually, technically that one there, no, that's not one. So this one right here, you can see that is, if you're looking for shorts, you have to look for fair value gaps in the premium, right? This one right here is in a discount. If you're looking to go short, you're not going to take this fair value gap in discount. You expect this one here, or this one here. Well, no, not that one, this one. Come on. Hopefully. That's some good analysis right there. The thing is, like, I wasn't confident in anything until a stop raid occurred, and the stop raid occurred right here, and we filled the 15-minute fair value gap and the IFEG. All these, this city here got inverted, and you can see that that's clearly a target for buy side right there. These high and this high. Looks nice, but I still expect price to go lower. I want this 1 hour fair value gap to hold bearish, continue to hold price to the downside. I mean, I knew the move was going to happen at 2:30. I should have, yeah. I feel like what it is I lack confidence. I definitely lack confidence. Need some confidence. Yeah. Yeah, you can come in, you know. You never really come into my room. I don't know why. You can come in. You can come inside of the room. He's got some socks on and stuff. Just doing a little stream right now. Might end. Probably gonna end it now, anyways. Stream. Just doing some tape reading. Yeah. Tape reading is where you kind of just watch price. But I don't know, it's Monday and I don't know. Actually, you know what? Hold on. What I'll do is I'll load this up. Actually, you know what? I'll go back to the time of 2:30. 1 second. So yeah, I was looking for longs in this area because kind of everything was aligning. Everything was making sense. And this internal low here has been taken. South side's been taken. Close above this 1 hour city. Displacement right there. So at this point, I was expecting price to start moving higher quite quickly. Honestly, it looks quite good. So yeah, I said it looked good. This looks good. For price to reverse off of this price level right here and go up and take these two highs right here. Looked obvious to me. After that low right there got taken as well. Was a big play, was a big factor in this move. But yeah, you can see, as I said, it looked good. I'm gonna get in here. I tried to get in, but basically what happened was I have a pair on the left and then I have a pair on the right. So this is like, it shows me where I can click between them. I was like accidentally on ES, which is that pair on the left. I wasn't looking to get into that one. So then it entered me on the one on the left, but I quickly had to get out, and you can see price moved very quickly to the upside, and I missed my entry, but that's okay. That's fine. What I like is the experience, because I shouldn't be really trading too much in my first year. I should just be doing more tape reading like I am doing. But as you can see, that low got taken. I expected price to reverse from this price level, and boom, we end up booming up higher. I was expecting in particular this high there and that high there to get taken. The reason for that was because on the 4 hour we dumped lower a lot. You can see it was in these past few days the market dropped lower very aggressively. So when we drop lower quite aggressively like that, but we don't end up taking that low down there, you can see that low remains untouched, but that low doesn't remain untouched. So what that tells me is that we've come down, we've taken this low right there, but I still expect us to go to this low there, because otherwise we wouldn't have plummeted the way that we did if we weren't expecting to see a continuation to the downside. So what that low getting taken means, but not that one, it means that I expect us to rebalance. It doesn't mean I expect us to reverse back to the upside. It means I expect us to, we're not just going to keep going one way forever, especially after a move like that. So I expect us to rebalance to maybe 50%. So I'd be looking for longs up until about 50% of that move from low to high. I'd be looking for price to start continuing back lower at that point. So this was where price was today, right there, when I got to the charts, and now I'm expecting price to come up, fill around 50% of this leg from low to high. You can see 50% of that leg from high to low, low to high, matches up with this area that I'm looking at right here. This particular area, I'm going to make that into what it is, which is the SIBI. This SIBI right there in red box. That's where I expect price to come up to and then reverse from. But yeah, I was looking for longs in that area. You can see it worked out very well in terms of the momentum going up to go and take these highs. Ends up playing out in a few minutes. So yeah, that high ends up, both those highs end up getting taken there. So I would have been looking to have my stop loss kind of below this area here. I wasn't expecting us to go below there. You can see right there. But yeah, from that's what I mean. It's the precision. It's precision. It's the precision of the concepts.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm ready to leave now. I don't think that there's really going to be much. I don't think there's anything left here. I've kind of missed the, you know, the move. I've missed the move. If I was to try and catch anything else at this point, it would be subpar. That's what I was confident in. I missed it. I hesitated. I missed it. I'm not gonna chase it, you know. But
No need to revenge.
that's it. That's the stream. No revenge trading, no chasing price. I've missed the move that I wanted to get into. I wasn't 100% confident in the moment, and I missed it. That's on me. I'm not gonna look for any more trades because that's what I was confident in. There's so much displacement. I don't think looking for shorts is going to be a good idea because we could just end up consolidating now after taking those two highs for the rest of today in the London close session, and then we take the high tomorrow and then we sell off back to those lows. So I'll look for a trade tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday, so it's a much better day to trade anyways, because Monday, you know, it's not a good day to trade anyway. So that's that. I don't know. Yeah, great stream. It's great. Bye bye.